This is Dibby. Look at what they did with this plastic thing. I don't know what this is. I'll pick that up. What'd you guys do with this, huh? It's Kilo. 8 months. About 30 pounds. And Dibby, she might be pregnant. I don't know. Not sure. Guys, what are you doing here? Okay, you guys can play with this right here. Right there. Here. Dip. Dibby at 10 months, Kilo at 8 months. Kilo. See your face for? Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that head. Look at that head. Crazy laundry room. Yep. Kilo. Dib. Dibby. Yep. I don't know if she's pregnant. Not sure. Alright. That's it.